Good morning, my YouTube people. Today is what, the 30th? April 30th. Making me a cup of coffee. So I got some guys supposed to be coming through today. Got a whole bunch of work to do. Getting ready to start my day early. There's so much stuff to do today. So today, I have a bedroom in the back that needs a bathroom. So we're gonna put a bathroom in that bedroom. Got started putting up the sheetrocks. Construction has started. So this is the bathroom, and out there is the bedroom. So we're just putting the bathroom in here. It's Sunday morning. It's very quiet and peaceful. About to go check out my aunt's place. I know she's not here too often. So our house is locked up. So we're about to go check it out. Make sure everything is okay over there. And then come back. Gotta love Fort Myers, people. It's peaceful down here. Very, very peaceful. Good thing about this area, the acres is now developing. This is not like not so busy, so they're now developing this area, so it's very quiet. Country slash, you know, because you could actually find anything down here actually. You don't have to go too far, but it's just the peace you get when you wake up. It's Sunday morning, look at this. No cars on the streets, no cars on the road, you don't hear people screaming. You don't see people walking. So they're building up, and they're building up very fast. In the last like 3-4 months, they only threw up like about 20 houses, man. Each time we go away and come back, it's like 3 or 4 new houses putting up. Look at this. Look at these houses.
Every yard got a few cars in it.
Yeah. Every yard have like 3, 4, 5 cars. They got the space.
Public transportation.
No. And you always say live in a place where public transportation is not so easy to get.
Yep. Stay away from all the riffraff.
Yes, stay in a place where public transportation is not so easy to get. Because when it's so easy to get, that's when you see all the trouble. Country living almost. See, they're getting ready to build another house right there, empty lot. They clean that out.
A lot of times when you see people over here walking, they lost their license.
Yeah. They're getting ready to throw another house up here. Look at this. Building another house there. They're building another house over there. They cleaned that out already. They're building one here again. Look at this. Look at this one. I never see this one. This is a new one.
Yeah, you see they got a front door bathroom, the toilet there.
Yeah, and look at this one, people. They get ready to build there too.
There's a lot of dirt.
Yeah, they get ready to build there too. Those are we've been away for like what, 2 months?
Yeah, they got building one in there too.
And those are what how much houses we already saw them building already? There's like 5 houses already they're building?
Yeah, 5 or 6.
Yeah. So the land is going quickly.
See, when I first started coming on here, land was about like half an acre for 4,000 or 5,000. Now a half acre land is about like 40,000. They're buying up so quick that the price keep going up.
Yeah.
And it's about like a 10-year span.
Yeah. Look at the size of this yard.
Yeah.
size of land. And he's not even utilizing the whole place, the whole property.
Because it's a corner, yep, corner lot.
Yeah. Through here. Look at these houses. Gotta love the greenery, people. A lot of trees. When you wake up to bird chirping, and wake up to
squirrels running,
rabbits in the backyard. Look at this. They want to build another house here again.
Yeah.
Look at that.
There's a lot of construction jobs down here, you know.
Oh yeah. Go down this way. Today's what? May 1st?
May 1st.
Today's May 1st. It's different. You'll enjoy it, especially if you love like peace and quiet.
Too.
Yeah, if you love peace and quiet, this is the place.
Laid back state.
Yeah. Like when we want to have fun, we go like downtown. We go downtown. We go to the beach. We go to those places, and then we come back into peace, tranquility. Now this guy, they go to set up their stall. They have the chicken on the grill. It's grilling while they're driving. They're grilling while they go to the destination to set up. Look at it. They're grilling while they're driving. That's
They're probably going.
That's the food truck right there. Barbecue. See, that's the barbecue food truck. But
I wonder where they're going.
they're probably going at the end of Joel and on the highway on Palm Beach. They're probably going and set up there. That's the.
Or they could be going to a college game area or something.
That's the food truck, and that's the grill in the back, and it's smoking because they got it on.
Grilling as they drive. No wasting of time.
But you said the keys, he left a key, yeah. Okay. And all this space is not even developed yet. They got those houses over there. So my aunt is like 15 minutes away. But you know, she's in New York, so you gotta check out the property, make sure everything is okay over there. Look at the space, man. I think down here by my aunt's place, this place is more quiet than any place else. This is another new house that just built. They just built this house.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone living there yet. Maybe someone's moving already.
Yeah, they're moving.
Okay, that's another new place that just built there.
so quiet that you didn't even know people living in it.
Yeah, right. This one here is another new place they just built here. It's another new place just built. I don't think no one is living in there yet. There you go, another new place. Construction is everywhere.
This is
That one building.
There's a store.
No, yeah, it looked like a storage. This is Fort Myers, people. They cleaned out this land to get ready to build a house there. They get ready to build here.
Next 2-3 years, you got a lot of buildings built down there.
Yeah.
That's where the guy, the children go through the tracks. They build these big high thing like buses, double-decker bus.
This is like, you know, in New York it's so the neighbors are like they're so close to you. Over here is like space, everything is just spaced out. They get ready to build another house here.
Country. Yeah.
They get ready to build another house there.
And Jim getting company.
Yeah, right.
And we hate that. Confederate flag.
Bitch, I'm no way. Check out my aunt's place. Look at this. She's in the quiet. They can make all the noise they want.
The tree falling?
No, they're cutting it down.
They're cutting it down.
That's our spot.
Look lean to me. That one came out by the root, the one that I know.
No, they've been cutting. They've been cutting from since the last time. I don't know if they're clearing it out, if they're building a house over there or what. Oh, they've been cleaning out. You know where he leave? You know where he left the key? You know where he left the key?
You say you left it the same place, right?
Yeah, the last time it was there somewhere on the thing. Because the gates are locked. It gotta be somewhere in front here.
Go through this gate, right? Oh, both gates are locked.
Yeah, I think this one. That one is open. It's probably in the back in the thing room.
Right.
So when we come here, because the house is locked up. Okay. Got no neighbors. The house is locked up, so we don't know who's in there hanging out. So I have to come packing. Always, we don't want to take no chances going in the house because we don't know who's in there. So I always walk with my little pistol on the side because somebody's gonna get it. So this is my aunt and uncle's place. And they're not here right now. They're in New York. So I come and check their place out every so often. Make sure everything is good.
So this is a leave them talking, right?
Oh no, we're not even.
Something like that.
Yeah. I have a key, but I left it at home. Yeah. Oh, that's the bucket of water she's talking about? No, you move it from here. You got to call him. You move it from there. That's not the spot anymore. That's not the spot anymore where you leave it. You change the spot. What you want to do there? Go pour the water? So my aunt just been here and she mopped out the place and she left the mop water in the bucket, so she didn't want us to throw it out. But this is country living. In this backyard we have the barbecues and we have the fire pits. If you look back there, see all that firewood? Yeah, we don't throw them out. We keep them, we burn them. Burn them in the back. We have a little picnic barbecue.
Big fingers in your ear, bitch.
Yeah, that's the water that's not treated. I think you shouldn't even clean that mop with that water.
Nah, it's alright.
Yeah, because if you leave that mop there, it's gonna start smelling too.
Nah, I'm gonna wring it out, so you're gonna do it.
Check out all this property, yo. All this land space. That's my uncle's entertainment shack. You got everything in there, all his music. You got everything in there. That's where he hangs out. That's where he spends most of his time. In this little shack right here. Now I see he's trying to build an enclosed screening area. Because for me, the mosquitoes out here, they bite you. I don't like it, but it don't bother him. So you gotta love it, people. I'm gonna get ready to go call him, find out where he left his keys, because it's my aunt's place. I forgot mine at home. My uncle's place. So they're not here, but you know. Big old place. This is another entertainment area. Check this out. Check out this huge entertainment area. Uncle Howell, like your bar, man. Like your bar. Come over here, sit down, get a drink. He's hooking it up. It's looking good so far. Yeah, he's setting it up. Back there we can have like this bar shelves, all the liquor. Yeah, he's hooking it up. It's looking real good. So like I said, they're not here right now, so they'll be back soon. So I'm just checking the place out for them. I like the furniture. I gotta tell you, I like his furniture. You always like these dark colors.
Pictures and stuff on the wall over here.
Uncle Harold, I'm in your place. This is. You this one's for you. Although you're not here. Oh. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I shouldn't be drinking this, but of course, when I come over here, I gotta take one for.
Right. Rockets too.
Take one for my uncle. You must be planning to go and play. You must be planning to go and play him and Auntie Carol. Him and Auntie Carol planning to go and play tennis, racket. Gotta do something today. I don't know. Right by Mike. Go to Cape Coral or something. Go eat. Go for dinner out on the later on evening. But I gotta wait for this. We're waiting for Caston to come. Cause when he comes, just 1, 2, 3. Just 3 switch. You just gotta put in, and he's done. I ain't gonna take him long. There's another house turning up back there right there. Look, see the roof? Straight ahead. Building another house over there.
There used to be only one though.
We have a lot of Guyanese Indians living back in this neighborhood back here.
Yeah.
Back where my aunt is back here. There's a lot of Guyanese Indians live back here. Well, I shouldn't say Guyanese Indians, I should say Guyanese people, period. Because we are all one, right? So we have a lot of Guyanese live back here. I was talking to my mechanic last week, and he says his sister live up here.
Over when you cross over to 20th to the other side, a lot of Indians live over there.
You got
Another house going up
another
there.
house is going up here.
I think one was going up through there like last time me and
Another house is building.
over here. Yeah.
So they're building a lot, and that one over there is coming soon
This
too.
one over there.
You got a lot of houses coming up. All the houses turning up.
Yeah, my sister, they're gonna have a lot of neighbors soon.
Yeah.
They ain't no other place for them to run to now.
It's a dead end. It's a dead end, but I'm going down here anyway.
I don't think it's a deal.
Yeah, it's a dead end. You can't cross. Some of the lake is back there. Look at this, people. All this open space. Reminds you, see? The roads you haven't done over there. Reminds you of country.
That's not the place you cross over?
No, you can't cross over there.
Oh, there.
That place is not even done yet.
Sheriff used to live somewhere back here.
It's a country life, people.
The canal is down there with what Mr. Ting was telling you about. They go to the back and catch fish.
see there's no traffic, no one speeding, traffic jams, traffic backups, nothing. It's just nice and quiet. There's another house building right there. Look at space. I remind you like a scheme. Look like a scheme.
The beauty about down here, the houses are far, they got
spread out.
space spread out.
Yeah.
Go this side and then you go this way. So, you know.
Your mangoes in season is coming back. So you see a lot of these trees down here full of mangoes, man. Full of mangoes.
Bad thing about it, a lot of them don't eat it.
And the bad thing about it is they don't eat it, yeah. They don't eat it like we will eat it. Almost every house you pass got a mango tree, 1 or 2 mango trees. Definitely gotta get rid of this tree. Gotta get rid of that tree because it's doing a lot of damage to the gutters. Yeah, this always happens. That's why I'm trying to get rid of all these damn trees. Because what happens is that all the leaves blows into the damn gutter. And all the leaves blows into the gutter. So ever so often, you gotta blow the gutter out. My boy Dexter. Blocking up the damn gutters. Look at all that leaves coming from that damn tree right there. I gotta cut that tree down too. A lot of shit, yo. Today's menu.
My birthday is July.
So we coming down for my birthday?
Today's menu: fried fish.
Oh, your birthday is in July. Yeah. You want to do something down there?
I'll make some stew peas. Got me some coconut milk. Scotch bonnet. Today is stew peas day.
July 30th.
I got some smoked meat over there. So we're gonna. Right now they're eating, so they're gonna be full by the time I'm finished cooking.
Okay. All right, Daddy.
Bye, Alima.
Bye, darling. Love you.
Leave us alone.
Daddy, don't let me have to call you back.
I like to use my stew, make my stew peas with real peas. I don't like to use that canned stuff, so we're gonna boil our peas.
So you let them pass?
No. There's just one way to pay. If they call you, if you want to store and the machine accept
Right,
your
right.
card, we're going to tell them, give you the product.
Right.
Okay, boil our
What you
peas.
can do. What do you think?
Black eyed stew peas.
You think you got shares in it?
The tokens and the stuff like that. He used to bring that stuff home and
Yeah.
that
But how
could,
you used to get it for free?
No.
Okay. So you still have to pay. Where do you think he was getting free?
This person look like anybody you know. Look like Sean then, right?
that's Sean, that's
No,
the
not
guy.
Sean. Huh?
That's whose child is that?
Doesn't it look like Sean in a sense?
She does.
Yeah, but it's not. I just see the picture come up with
Yes, guys. Simple seasonings for stew peas. I got some garlic. Got a Scotch bonnet pepper. Some tomatoes. Some green onions. Some onions. That's it. So I got my peas boiling there.
would replace them with a new box.
Got my water for my rice.
Won $1 million, one of the scratch she sells. One of these
My
that's
rice.
probably the one she wants.
And I got my peas.
Right. But
And I got all my finished prep. It's coming along. I got my pot that's bubbling. Got my rice. Got my peas boiling. I'm about to clean my fish in a minute. And season that up. Fry it nice and crispy. But yeah, that's dinner for today. I should say. It's past lunchtime, so that's dinner for today. Stew peas and fried fish. Got some red snapper I just picked up. So that's how we're gonna do it. Freddie, Avril, y'all missing out today. Big up my boy in Boca Raton, man. Freddie, what's up, man? We're missing you down here, man. But I'm gonna have 2 plates, alright? I'm gonna eat mine, I'm gonna eat yours, Freddie. You're missing out, Fred. So my rice is finished. We call it loose rice. My rice is finished there. And my peas already finished boiling. So time to move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm prepping my fish. I really don't like to clean fish in the sink, but I'm not going outside right now, so I'm gonna clean this. It basically already came like pre-clean already when you get it from the store, so there's nothing really much to do but to, clean it. You know how we clean fish. Gotta get a lemon, a lime, or whatever. Clean it real good. So I'm about to do that right now. Get it popping. Guys, so my fish finished cleaning. I got it soaking in some, lemon juice. Real lemon. I don't like to use lemon juice, so I'd like to use a real lemon. For some reason, the real lemon clean your fish much better than the juice. I don't know what that juice is, but get you some real lemon, okay? And that'll clean your juice real good. That'll clean your fish real good, and take that rank out of it. Guys, I don't normally, we West Indian people, which is like Guyanese, Trinidadian, Jamaican, all these people from the islands, I know we like to season our fish with, natural seasonings, but at this moment and this time, I'm kind of busy, so I'm not even going to get into all that. Normally we will cut up all like our green onions, and we'll cut up our garlic, and we will stuff the fish with the seasonings and all this stuff, but in this case, I'm just gonna do this fish with regular seasoning, black pepper, Old Bay, some garlic powders, simple stuff. I'm not gonna go all out and do the traditional seasonings that I know about. So I'm gonna do it regular. Just start off simple. Sauteing our seasonings, I gotta go in the pot first. Unfortunately, I ain't got no one to hold my camera, so I gotta do it section by section. So I ain't got nobody following me around with no camera. So after that is done, I got a little bit of smoked meat over here. I'm gonna add that to the mix. All right. I ain't got no pigtails and all that stuff. I'm not cooking no pigtails and all that stuff. So I'm just doing regular smoked turkey wings. Yes, guys. So just added my smoked turkey. Added my smoked turkey to the pot. For some reason, smoked turkey give stew peas a good flavor. Just for nice, good. That turkey get off a good flavor in this pot, so we're gonna use that. The first thing you do is that you boil the turkey, boil the smoked turkey for a while. You gotta boil it first. Then you add it to the pot. That's my fish, guys. Finished cleaning. See how clean that fish look? It smells great. So now we're gonna get ready to season it up. Regular, simple seasonings. Nothing too over the top. First, we're gonna get our black powder. We're gonna get some salt. We're gonna get some garlic powder. And then we're gonna get some pepper flakes. And of course, we're gonna get our Old Bay, if I can find it. Rose, where's the Old Bay? There's the Old Bay, some Mrs. Dash. We'll put some in there. Okay, guys, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use some Old Bay, some pepper flakes, some garlic powder, some Mrs. Dash. We're gonna use some parsley. Some red pepper, you can see, black pepper, and we're going to use a little tip of salt because seafood and fish and stuff like that, they absorb salt very quickly, so we're not going to use too much salt, right? But this is the regular stuff we're going to use, regular. Keep it there, guys. So now that our fish is all seasoned up, as you can see, check that out. Looks good, right? Looks good. And my oil is heating up. So at this time, I got my flour. So what I'm going to do is season the flour a little bit. So black pepper in the flour. And I go black pepper in the flour. And of course, some parsley flakes in the flour. And you're going to put some paprika.
Color.
Papriki in the flour.
Papriki.
Alright, that's pretty much it. And we're going to mix that up. Let me get a spoon over here. We're going to mix this up. All set to fry our fish. Good. So yes, guys, so that's stew pieces bubbling, as you can see. That's almost finished. So now, since our oil is all heated and ready to go, you got a couple cloves of garlic here. You're gonna add that to add it to the oil, just to get that burst of flavor. Fragrance before we add our fish to those. So now we got our fish, and we're gonna add our fish to the oil, of course. All right. Got some good batter on there. Add that to it. Add it. So that's how we do it, y'all. Fried fish and stew peas. I know it's not as a crazy combination, but that's what I feel for today. So that's what I'm gonna eat. Look at that. Look at that bad boy there. Alright. Alright. Got a few more pieces of multitasking. I got my rice back there, it's finished. Got my stew peas bubbling. And I got my fried fish going there. So when this is over, we're gonna eat and have a good time. Fill our bellies and drink some wine. And then I don't know what they're gonna do, but I know I'm gonna take a nap. That's the finished product. I've seen some of it. I got a little bit more frying. So we just got my stew pieces all finished. This is finished. That's the finished product. So we're going to be eating in a minute. Check out the finished product. Yeah, looks good, right? Okay. Of course, I know. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. She's gonna be like.
I know you are.
Yes, I am.
Of course it is. That's not one thumb. It's supposed to be 2 thumbs. Yeah. Take a taste of that. It's a little bit hot, yeah. It's a little bit hot. Well, look at you. You can't done. You.
Good job.
I know you're ready for seconds, but not yet. Good. I know. So now you're tasting my stew peas hand. You've never had my stew peas before.
Never had this before. It's good.
Yeah.
You know about the curry ham.
You know about the curry, yeah, right. Stew peas, fried fish, yes. It tastes the coconut milk in there, right?
Yeah.
For some reason, this coconut milk here is different. I never used this one before, but this one tastes pretty good.
Pure.
It's pure coconut milk, right? But this one is different. Yes, guys, so they're eating. Look at that. Stew peas and...
Yeah. The whole thing about it, it's good, it's Guyana coconut.
No, I think it's a Spanish coconut milk.
You think it's Spanish?
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone disappeared. You know what they went to? They went to sleep. The food just knocked them out. They are all knocked out. My wife is in her bedroom sleeping. My dad just disappeared. Everyone is gone. That's what the food does. I'm about to take a nap myself.
8 minutes in your ear, bitch.